myelin. There was a silence in my mind, invisible storms I couldn't fight. Every step became a question, every dawn another climb. Then somewhere deep inside the earth, hidden and forgotten roots, nature whispers something gentle, a reason not to lose. No promises, no miracles, only hope beneath the skin. One small spark became a fire, and the light returned within. Whispers of myelin, calling through the night. Every broken pathway, searching for the light. I can feel tomorrow, breathing in again. One heartbeat, one horizon, life begins again. Science writes another chapter.